he is working on this project, which is police department.
Yeah, Shelbyville Police Department.
How did you get this job?
Well, we intentionally started to bid on any public work that all general contractors bidding on. The general contractor who won the bid on this project discovered that we are most affordable roofing for metal roofing.
While police protecting and serve Russian roofers put a roof on their buildings.
And back in Russia, in our terminology, if you provide roofing for somebody, means that you give them some mob shelter. This is the city of Shelbyville building a conference center, and the general contractor hired us for roofing, siding, gutters, louver screens, ACM panels, which they call rain screens, and snow guards. So I think it's something in Russian roofers' blood. I see we dominate the market in the United States. A lot of Russians involved in metal roofing because, in our harsh climate back in Russia, we got a lot of metal roofing. And for some reason, even it's cheaper in Russia than asphalt shingles.